All right, we're going to go over how to reset your front view in Fusion 360. So sometimes you create a model and you build it all up, and then you realize later on that the front of your model, as defined for the mechanical drawing, would best be suited to be on a different side than what you actually assigned. So for example, the home position in the front for this particular block should have it so that this is the home position, and where it says right should actually be the front for the ideal layout for the drawing. So this is easy to fix. All you have to do is first click on the face that you want to be the front on the view cube. Then you're going to right click on it, scroll down in the selection bar and say set current view to front. Once you've done that, you can click in the corner so that we're oriented to the home position. And you'll notice right now, if I hit home, it's going to spin back to the original home. So I'll rotate around to my preferred home position, then right click on the view cube again, go down to set current view as home, fixed view, or fixed distance. I'll pick fixed view. That way it zooms to the side that we want. And now if I click front, this is the correct front. And if I click home, it goes back to my home position. And now it's reset so that when I pull it into a drawing, it's laid out the way that I want it to. That's it. Have a good day.